Okay, so day 5 of the first gen Tacoma rebuild, and we're gonna get started on where we left off last time. So first off, I think I'm gonna take the rest of this timing off. I don't really know what specifically these things are for, but we'll learn right now. So let's get 12 millimeters. Let's take the tensioner off first, and we'll see from there. Okay, so let's start off by loosening the guide for the tensioner. Yeah, and now we can, okay, let's take it off. Let's take the one off the guide as well. Like this and this. So we can set it here for now. We'll put this back on for now. There's also a guide right here and another one right here. Let's take this one off first. Looks a little wasted, but nothing too bad. These two right here, set it here for now. There's another one right here. There's another one. Dang, what are those? Okay, let's try to take this one off. Here's the other one. Not too bad either. Just regular wear. Let's put this one here as well. Okay. So after taking the chain off, I was able to take it off from this one. We're gonna remove this bolt again and pull it off now. And there we go. We are not gonna be putting this one on the floor. So we'll put this bolt back for now, and I'll put this one somewhere safe for now. So after taking that top gear off from here, you're able to take off the chain, and also after taking that one and these two off, you're able to just pull this whole thing out. So we'll be putting this somewhere for now. So we're gonna get started now and turn the engine around so we can get started on the crankshaft and the piston rods. So let's get this thing turned right now. So now we are going to start removing each piston, and to do that we are going to take these two off on each one. They're 12.12 millimeter one So we're gonna get started now. Let's start off with the first one. So now that we got it loosened up now, we're gonna remove these nuts. We're gonna need a rubber mallet for this, so let's go get one. So after a couple love taps with the mallet, we're able to take it off. The bearings look really good, so let's try to take off the fourth one too and see how that goes right now. So got the first piston off. Looks pretty decent in my opinion. I could be totally wrong, but yeah, we're gonna get started now and start taking the others off. What I did here to take it off was just have my hand below so it wouldn't fall all the way, and just tapping it slowly right here on the studs, or a little here. Either way it's wood. I don't think it'll fuck up the bearing, but either way we're replacing the bearing after, so yeah. So let's get started and take the other three off. Got another one down. Same thing, bearings look pretty good. So let's get the piston out now. Got the third one out. Bearings look good. I didn't record taking that one out, but it's over there now. So we'll try to get these two out right now real quick, and then we'll see if we can take the crank off too. Okay, let's get started on taking the second one out. Set this aside. Looks good. This looks good as well. I'm gonna mark it, because this side is the one that faces outside of the crank. And I'll mark this one too. Put it back. These two are aligned because this side doesn't have it. So yeah, that's how these are. There we go. I'm just going to put number 2 right here and put it with the others. So now to take off the ones that hold the crank, it's a 14 millimeter with 12 point. So we're gonna get started on this. Start off on the middle and make my way out. For these holding the crank, they're all numbered. I don't know if you could see that there, but has a number 5. And over here too it has a number 1. But yeah, and they're all pointing towards the same direction of the front of the crank. And yeah, before taking these off fully, I found out that I won't be able to take off the crank because I forgot to take off this cover, which has 10mm bolts or 12mm bolts, but it's on the other side. I don't know if I'll be able to take them off. Maybe so. I'll give it a try right now to see if I could take it off. So we took off all 6 bolts. They're 12mm. I took it off with this wrench, 2mm wrench. We're gonna see if we can pry this out a little and see if we can take it off. So I was able to pry it out. I just took it off with this. Pried it out like this on each side, and it just popped right out. So let's see if we can take the crankshaft out now. So we took most of them off already, 4 of them. They're over there now. We're taking this one. This one was a little more stubborn to take off because of these bearings it has on the side. They have a specific name, but I always forget what they're called. But yeah, this one I had to do a little bit more back and forth motion, but now the crank is free. All the bearings look, oh shoot, all the bearings looked really good, and so do these. They don't look wasted as much. I'm gonna get another piece of cardboard so I can place this down for now, because I'm pretty sure I can lift this up now. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a piece of cardboard for this so we can just set it to the side for now. Okay, got the piece of cardboard right there. I'm gonna take it off now. So now everything's finally taken apart. I'm looking at this. Everything looks pretty good. So I think I'll start ordering the rebuild kit, and I'll get standard sizes because I don't see anything worn. Every single bearing that I've seen looks good. Also on the pistons, everything looks good. So I think I'll go ahead and start ordering everything, and once I get the kit and all the extra parts I'm gonna get, I'll take the heads to get resurfaced. I'm not sure if I should get the engine though, the actual block of the engine, the top resurfaced, or if I should just sand it with like a 2x4, a flat 2x4. Well, I don't know, because I think I might clean the cylinders too. I'll give it a try. I've never done it before, but kind of scared to do it. I don't know if I should just take it to the machine shop, but we'll see. But for now, everything's good enough now. I'll start putting those away, and I'll just wrap this up for now, because I'm gonna clean everything up. I'll see if I could clean the insides too. Also the head, I'll see if I can clean it so the engine looks really clean when putting it back. And plus it has all this oil on the outside where it was leaking, so I'll go ahead and clean all that up. But yeah, we're done for today.